Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we are going to talk about how to keep food warm in a lunchbox. This video will dive into the tips and tricks to keep food warm and any other equipment you might need, so make sure you stick around for that. First, use an insulated lunchbox. Before we explore how to keep your food warm, the lunchbox you choose must be built to keep food warm for an extended period. While selecting a lunchbox, opt for one that is branded as insulated. An insulated food container traps hot air, keeping food warm. A stainless steel container is also a good option since the hot food heats it, keeping it warm. Preheat the lunchbox. One sure way to keep your food warmer for longer is by preheating the lunchbox. Pour hot, boiled water into it, close the lid, and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. Once the food to be packed is ready, pour out the hot water from the lunchbox and dry the inside. Serve the food into the lunchbox and seal it. The hot water will warm the interior of the lunchbox, therefore, heat from your food will not be absorbed. Keep hot and cold food separate. It's essential to separate the hot and cold dishes so the warmth of your food is preserved. You can achieve this by filling them in individual containers, such as packing hot soup or rice separately from freshly cut fruit. Additionally, you can use a physical divider, such as a commercially available lunch bag divider, for extra warmth preservation. Use aluminum foil. Using aluminum foil is an old but trusted method of keeping food warm, and it comes in handy when you don't own an insulated or stainless steel lunchbox. Using aluminum foil works best if you wrap food when it's hot. Since the food is hot, it will warm the foil and at the same time keep it warm. Use a hot water bottle. The goal of using a hot water bottle is to include an additional heat source in the lunchbox. Most hot water bottles are made from rubber or thermoplastic material for maximum heat retention, so your water won't cool. Fill the hot water bottle 3/4 with warm water, seal it, and place your lunchbox on top of it. So there you have it. Enjoying packed food later in the day, like it's just from the pan, is an underrated feeling. Hope these tips will help you achieve that. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.